In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Keep Notes 5 minutes. First, a quick reality check. Google Keep doesn't currently offer a built-in lock for individual notes. There's no password, PIN, or Face ID at the note level. The closest practical workaround is archiving your notes so they disappear from the main board. It won't encrypt the content, but it does keep things out of casual view and reduces on-screen clutter. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small 9-dot grid, and choose Keep. If you're already signed in, Keep will open to your notes right away. Create a new note using the Take a Note field, give it a clear title, and type your content. You can add a checklist, images, or drawings if you like, and using a label or color can help you find the note later, even when it's archived. Once you're done creating the note, look along the bottom toolbar of the note, click the archive button. It looks like a box with a downward arrow. The note instantly moves out of your main notes view. This is the key step that hides the note from your everyday board without deleting it. To get back to that note, find the left side menu in Keep. Click Archive. This takes you to a dedicated space that contains all of your archived notes. You can open any note to read it, make edits, or if you need it back on your main board, use the Unarchive button from the same toolbar to return it to Notes. A couple of helpful tips as you use this approach. Archiving is about tidiness and light privacy, not true protection. Anyone who can access your Google account can still open archive notes, so avoid storing highly sensitive information here. Strengthen your account with a strong password and two-step verification. Keep your devices locked and sign out on shared computers. If you collaborate on notes, remember that archiving only affects your view. Collaborators still have access, and the note will appear in their archive or notes depending on their actions. Also, archiving doesn't turn off reminders. If a note has a reminder, it will still trigger at the scheduled time, which is handy for keeping sensitive to-dos off your home board while staying on track. That's it. You've seen how to move a Keep note into the archive and where to find it later. While Google Keep doesn't offer note-level locks, this quick workflow keeps personal notes out of sight and your main board clean and focused.